Welcome to Digital Mental Health 101. In this session, we'll be talking about the Apple Health app on the iPhone. This brief tutorial is designed to help you learn digital mental health skills. It does not provide medical advice. It is intended for educational and informational purposes only. Let's begin by talking about what the Apple Health app is. It's pre-installed on all iPhones running iOS 8 or higher, and it's used to track and visualize health data, including daily exercise, step count, heart rate, vitals, sleep quality, and more. Apple Health also integrates with other apps and devices, such as the Apple Watch and other wearables, other third-party apps that can add support for nutrition, women's health, and more, as well as external devices and monitors, as commonly used for hypertension and diabetes monitoring, among others. Once you've opened the Apple Health app, you'll see a summary of your recent activity for multiple types of health data, as well as some highlights about how you've been doing week to week. Here's what that looks like. It's important to note that your health data is backed up securely to Apple's iCloud storage. If you tap on All Health Data, you'll be able to see more summary cards for different types of health data, including headphone audio levels, flights of stairs climbed, as well as a detailed sleep analyses, and more. If you tap on the Browse tab at the bottom of the app, you'll also be able to see detailed information about different types of health data over time saved in Apple Health. Here's what that looks like. For example, we'll take a look at steps as well as walking and running distance. By tapping on a button in the toolbar above the chart, you can view this data over a single day, a week, a month, or a whole year. If you tap and slide on a bar in the chart, you'll be able to view that data point in more detail. You can also tap Add Data at the top right of the app to add a data point manually. Now let's talk about managing the Apple Health app settings. Once you've located the Apple Health settings in the Settings app, you'll be able to modify a few things. Here's what that looks like. Make sure you've allowed notifications for the Apple Health app. If you've enabled health integration for third-party apps or devices, you'll also be able to manage those permissions here. Here, you'll be able to set your health profile and medical ID, which is presented by your phone in cases of emergency to emergency responders. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to learn more or contact us, visit us at digitalpsych.org.